In this video, we are going to solve Data Challenge of Advent of Cyber on TryHackMe. This challenge focuses on log analysis with data science. Data science often involves programming, statistics, and recently, the use of artificial intelligence, AI, to examine large amounts of data to understand trends and patterns, and help businesses make predictions that lead to informed decisions. Data analysis normally involves 5 steps. First is data collection, which involves collecting the raw data. Data processing involves turning the raw data that was previously collected into a standard format the analyst can work with. Data mining involves creating relationships between the data, finding patterns and correlations that can start to provide some insight. Analysis is where the bulk of the analysis takes place. Here, the data is explored to provide answers to questions and some future projections. Visualization is extremely important. Even if you have the answers to the universe, no one will understand you if you can't present them clearly. Data can be visualized as charts, tables, maps, etc. In this video, we are going to see how we can use Python Jupyter Notebooks to analyze log files. We are in Advent of Cyber 2023 room. Spin off your machine. You can read through the basics of Python and data science in the room description. After your VM is started in split screen, you can see the Jupyter Notebook. You can click on the workbook to open it in Jupyter. Click on the expand icon to open the VM in a new window. If you scroll down, you can see the questions about the task. We need to perform data analysis on the given data set. Now, shift to the VM tab. You can read the description in the notebook. We will be using Pandas library for our data analysis. Run the first code block. It will import the Pandas library and read the dataset CSV file. To view the top rows of the dataset, run the second code block, which makes use of head function. And we can see the top rows of our dataset and column names. The first question is to find the number of packets in dataset. We can use the data frame count function, and it will tell us that the number of packets are 100. So, answer the question on TryHackMe. The second question is to find the IP address that sent the most amount of traffic during the packet capture. We can use group by and size functions to first group the entries by column and then count the quantity. Here we are, grouping the data with the source column. Here we can see that the most packets have been generated from 1010.1.4 IP address. If we want, we can also sort them by sort function, which makes it easy to understand the results. So, answer the question on TryHackMe. The last question is to find the most frequent protocol. We can make use of the same functions as in previous question. Just change the column for grouping to protocol. And here we can see that most packets are for ICMP protocol. So, in this video, we learned that how we can use our data analysis skills for log analysis.